l-Anita, l-Enġi, l-Mendi, ringrazzjaw l-Edmond, il-PJ, li kienu għedin għawnek, il-direttur Josef.
I was petrified, kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong, and I learned how to get along, and so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed your stupid lock, I should have made you leave the key. If I have known for just 1 second, you'd be back to bother me. Come on now, go. What kind of door? Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbyes? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? Oh no, that I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to live, I know I'm still alive. And I've got all my life to live, I've got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive, yeah. It took all the strength I had not to fall apart. Kept trying hard to mend the pieces of my broken heart. And I spent so many nights just feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry. Now I hold my head up high and you see me, somebody new. I'm not that chained up little person still in love with you. And so you felt like dropping